subscribe, you can do that by clicking the subscribe button under the video as well as the bell to make sure you get a reminder when our next video is posted. Also, if you love drawing, head over to gosketchclub.com where we have lots of courses on manga faces, cartooning, drawing birds, art quests and much more. Hi everyone, welcome back to Fun Sketch Friday. Now when I was thinking about what I could do today, I went for a walk in the sunshine, which was lovely. And I don't know about you, but during this time, I don't know if you've noticed, but there is so many more birds singing. Can you hear the birds? Maybe I just didn't notice it before, but I'm certainly noticing it now. And it gave me an idea for today's video. So let's get started. So you may have guessed that we're drawing birds today. As always, we're going to start drawing it together and then I'm going to stop and you're going to finish your own drawing with your own ideas. Let's start by drawing a hill shape. This is going to be the head of the bird. Then I'm going to draw two diagonal lines coming in towards each other under this head. Now we can add the wings. So with this wing, I'm going to curve it round and then go straight up and then straight across. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So what could this be? Could it be a rainbow bird or a bat or even a dragon? For those who would like help with the head, here is a quick idea. So draw two diagonal lines coming almost to a point. Then we'll do a pointy shape like the top of a triangle and then bring that down to a point for the beak. You can put a line down the middle if you want to. Now what kind of eyes might you want to do? You could make up your own eyes, or I'm going to do some eyes like this, a diagonal line and then a semicircle underneath. He looks very serious, doesn't he? Now we're going to stop drawing together, and this is where you can pause the video and you can finish this drawing on your own with your own ideas. Could the wings be made out of water droplets or rainbows or feathers or spirals or doodles? These drawings are great to develop your imagination, so try and think of the wackiest idea and see if you can put that into your drawing. Are you ready? Steady, go sketch! Right, now it's my turn. I think I would like to draw a bird made of fire. Does anybody know the name of this bird? If you guessed a phoenix, then you would be right. I'm going to make it my own by adding my own flame shapes and my own patterns for the wings. Let's add some colour. I'm going to be using colouring pencils. I'm going to start with the yellow first, and I'm going to colour in the top of all of the flames yellow. Then I'm going to add orange. I'm going to blend it into the yellow and kind of do the middle part of the flames in orange. And finally, I'm going to add red to all the bottom bits of the flames. And there we have it, my sketch of a phoenix. Well done if you completed our Fun Sketch Friday session. As always, please send it in to us, emma@gosketch.co.uk, or you can send it to us at Facebook or Instagram or Twitter using hashtag FunSketchFriday and hashtag GoSketchClub. I think that's everything. Also, in case you're someone that loves drawing birds, we have a beautiful birds course which is brand new on our website at gosketchclub.com. So if you haven't already, check it out. And I'll see you next week for our next Fun Sketch Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye.